Hi guys, for those that you work in block management, you know it's a small industry. There's hundreds, thousands of service providers, block management companies, and everyone's hustling really hard to win more business, grow their businesses, and there are some amazing companies, and I can honestly say I see way more amazing companies than not so. And that's something that I've only learned over time by trying to meet more people, speak to more people, and understand what it is they do. But that's why I'm so keen to help people up their pitching game. Pitching, if you're not used to pitching or you're not happy with how you pitch, pitching's about taking your idea or your service that you're trying to offer someone and either get that new deal, get a contract, get yourself in front of someone. Pitching could be, you could be on the phone and you want to set up a meeting, and it could be just in a simple taking it from that phone conversation to a face-to-face, from a face-to-face to signing a contract. Pitching is everywhere. If you're a service provider and you're trying to offer services to a block management company, you will undoubtedly be pitching all the time. And what I find as a block management company is that 99 out of 100 pitches that I get on a daily, weekly basis are poor. They haven't been well structured. They don't articulate their message well, and I'm not too excited or even bored at the prospect of potentially working with this company. Now, if you can structure your pitch well, with clarity, if you can make your message really clear, if you can demonstrate your credibility simply and explain the types of problems that you can solve and what solution you can offer, if you can do that well, you will just separate yourself completely from the competition, and you will be a standout candidate as a service provider when you approach a company like a block management company. Now that doesn't happen. I'm telling you, it doesn't happen, and I'm not trying to critique or completely criticise everyone in the industry, but it's something across all industries. I just find pitching, it doesn't matter what it is, what industry, you just find the standard is low. And what I want to do is I want to change that. I know in block management there's some amazing companies, amazing service providers, and I want to help you put your best foot forward. And to do that, if you haven't invested in you, in yourself, in your own personal development, to learn these skills, this isn't something you can just learn in the market. It is, and it does evolve, but if you've never had training on how to put a pitch together, that's why I'm offering a one-day free workshop where I'm only going to work with 25 companies, and I'm going to try and take their pitching game to another level. I'm going to give you the framework that I use, that I got taught by a CEO of £1 billion company, that I was fortunate enough who taught me how to pitch and gave me that framework. And I want to give you that for free so you can take your game to the next level. And on the workshop, we'll make sure that you understand who you are and what you do. Get that simple, make that message as clear as possible. And also, what problems are you tackling? What are the solutions that you provide? And what's the big vision for your company? Now, this is really important. And if you can get that framework right, and if you can just learn the system, you will take wherever you are now in terms of pitching to here. And I promise you that will get you better results, better outcomes, and hopefully win you more deals. So if you want to sign up to the workshop, sign up today. There's only 25 places, it's limited. That's it. It's only going to be one workshop for 25 people. And I want to work closely with them so we can take their pitching game to the next level and make this industry be great and as thriving, as buzzing as it should be. So thank you for watching. Sign up today. There's only 25 places.